Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to duplicate page in WordPress. First of all, you need to go to this left sidebar where it says plugin and then click on add new. In this search box type duplicate page, duplicate and enter. Now I'll click on install duplicate page and it's installed. Then you need to click on activate. Now I'll go to settings and as you can see the duplicate page has been added to it. Now I'll go to pages. Now if you bring your cursor here you can see this option duplicate this. I'll click on it and it will duplicate the page. I hope you liked the video. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.